7, going to 10, and then you're doing overhead press. Good. Press it. Six. Good. Good. 5. 1, 2, good. Good, focus, keep going. Up nice and tall. Good, stay tall, stay tall. Come on. Pulling it. Good, again. Good, last one. Come on. Good. 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 2 more on each side. 1, 2. Reach all the way up. Attaboy. Reach up. Perfect. Come on, drive from that hip. Good. Good. 2 more on that side and we're switching. Come on. Focus. Good. Good. Come on, focus. Up. Press the weights away. Keep them pressed away. Push them away. Push them away. Good. 1 more. Okay. Let's go right into this one. Give me 5 on here. Good.